Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can search using pictures in Pinterest. So if you want to find some inspiration but you don't know the keyword, maybe you can just use a picture to search for it. So here I've already on the Pinterest apps and I'm going to just click on the search options at the bottom. So in here, on the search box at the top, search for ideas, you can just click on the camera icon to start search using picture. Then here you can select from your gallery, or you can just directly capture an image. I'm going to use one on my gallery here and just wait. You can see now that Pinterest will detect the same pictures with the one you just choose, like this, and you can just explore in here by scrolling down the results. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks below. Bye.